Hey up duck, it's Erin here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another Tesla video and today we're going to be talking about the Watch app. So today's video is about the Tesla app. So we do have a Tesla app on a mobile phone, which you could see in my previous videos, which I've gone into complete and utter detail with. It is in the description below, so if you want to watch that one, you can just click on in the description. There's a link there. So today we're going to discuss about another app which is available in your Apple Watch. So this app is a third-party app. It's not something that is belongs to Tesla. It's a third party, and what happens is you put in your ID, your Tesla ID, to the third party app, and from there a token is given and you get access to the actual app. It is available on your Apple iWatch. There is no way that your descriptions or any of your information or ID is given out to a unsavory type of place. So I have done this myself. I am using the third-party app. It is on my Apple iWatch. It is from my own experience that I'm explaining this to you. So just to let you know that I do use the app myself. So we're going to go into complete and utter detail about how the app works and what features are in the app as well, and how you can access it with your car. So the cost of the app started at $5.99. Then it went up to $7.99. Then it went up to $9.99. I personally bought it at $12.99, and now it has gone back down to $9.99. But I can tell you now from personal experience, I'll show you what features are actually available in the app as well, and how easy it is to access it. To me, it is worth having the app. It's a bit of a party trick as well, where you've got it on your watch. Sometimes if you're carrying things, then you don't want to keep on taking out your actual mobile and things like that. So it is a good feature to have. But again, I'd just like to say it's gone down to $9.99 after I bought it for $12.99. Question arises with a third-party app: are your details safe? So I've done my personal research, and from there I can see your details are safe. So what happens is, let me explain this to you. What happens is, from my own research, I have actually found out that your details from your Tesla login and your Tesla ID go to the third-party app. Tesla provide a token that is then given to the Tesla Watch app. From there, the Tesla Watch app asks Tesla for permission. Then the permission is granted by Tesla, so you can get access through the app to your car. So let's get to the fun part of how you use this app. So as you can see onto your screen, when you click onto the app, you have so many options already available there for you. So the first screen that you come across is, you'll see the model of your car. Mine is a Model 3, so it shows up as a Model 3. You'll see how much charge you have available on your battery, okay? Then you have whether the Sentry mode is active. You also have shortcuts on there, the same way that you'd have them on your mobile app as well. So you have your climate control, you have open your front, you have unlock your car as well. You have those icons. It also, underneath that, it will show you the actual temperature in the car as well. So you've got a little car icon there that shows you the temperature, which is the most coolest thing. Okay, you've also got your little charging, which is shows up as a little lightning bolt as well. Okay, and then on top of that, you can also, which is the most coolest feature ever, you can actually set your charge limit as well from this actual app. So mine is set at 90%. Underneath, there's another little button that's the setting. So if you press that, you can see there that you can change the controls order as well. So how the controls are looking on your actual watch as well. So you can change the order. You've also got on there always confirm complications actions as well. Is basically, it gives you that little message to say, right, okay, if I'm opening the trunk, then it'll tell you yes, it's open. If you've closed it, then it'll tell you yes, it's closed. So it's all those small confirmations that you probably need. Okay, So it says on here as well, show data timer on compatible complications as well. So that's something to do with those features. A background update. So with the background update, it is constantly, what happens is with that actual feature is it gives you constant notifications of things that your car's doing. So if your car's parked up, it'll tell you. If anything else, like what's happening with the battery as well, it'll tell you everything like that. The only thing is, when it sends you the notification, the car becomes active. So you just need to keep an eye on your actual battery as well, because it can drain the battery. So just make sure that you have a look how that works out for you personally. Me, I don't keep that on, but that is obviously personal preference. So the other thing that we've got on here is remote start as well. So you could start the car remotely. A plug-in reminder, that is quite a good one. So that'll again show you when your car is in the middle of charging, whether the plug is still attached or not. It'll tell you what's going on there. So that is all centered around charging. And then your background image, okay? So your background image is actually shown up on the app as well, so you can see your car. It is shown there. My car is white, so it's shown in complete detail. Just the way that it is shown on the mobile app is actually shown on the watch as well, which is such a cool feature because everybody loves to look at their Tesla, especially me. I love to admire mine. So the same way you would want to have a look at the actual mobile. So let's see if this actually works. So what we're going to do is I'm going to press the climate control one, which is symbolized by a small fan, the same way that it is on your mobile app. So here we go. I'm just going to press that. See what happens to the car. And right now, the climate control is actually on in the car. So today is a really, really hot day and my car is cooling down for me to get into. So I can switch this off now. That's it, it's gone off. So that is something that you'd have to try out yourself as well because you can hear it, but I'm going to show you something that you can see visually now, okay? So I'm going to open the front. Okay, here we go. This is now open. Okay, as you all know from my previous videos, that Tesla have not made this just like the trunk where you can close it from here or your mobile app. So I am, excuse me, going to close this by hand. So you can't do this, okay, from here. So I'm going to just give it a bit of a stroke. So we'll ignore that bit that you have to close it by hand. So the actual app does need a bit of discovery. So when I first got it, I just thought, oh, there's only 2 screens to it, okay? But guess what? If you swipe to the left, you can see on here that there's loads more things that you could do using this app. So on here, you've got open trunk. Open trunk. Yes, okay. Here we go. There it is. Close trunk. How cool is that? Open your charging port. Close your charging port. Then the next icons are really some luxury items that I can't tell you, okay? They are the luxury items that you want in every car, considering that it can be a really, really cold winter for us here. So we've got a defrost icon that you press and it will literally defrost your car. And you've got some really nice heated seats in the Tesla. You do have 5 heated seats, okay? So there is a icon here that you can press to heat your seats. As it's so warm here today, I won't be doing that. So the next one we have is disable Sentry. So this is if you want to disable your Sentry mode, okay? So that's something that you could do from here. We've also got vent windows. So here we go. Let's press those so you can see them visually. Okay, and then I'm going to close. Okay. You've got the location where it'll tell you the location of your Tesla. The next icon is the flash. So here is the flash icon. So I'm going to press the flash now. Something else that is on here is, guess what? The honk. Are we ready? Okay. And we have the compass icon as well. So just a quick run through. When you actually press your icons, any of the icons, my actual watch vibrates as well. And when you open the trunk or close the trunk, whatever command or whatever feature you're pressing, my watch actually vibrates as well to tell you that that actually is going, the signal's going to the car, and the car will do as you say as well. An important feature that you'll use every day, which I use a lot of, is this. Unlock. And lock. Another feature of this is basically that you can make a little bit of a shortcut. Now on my watch, I've got a shortcut. So as soon as I go into my watch, it is all there. I've got open the trunk, open the front, unlock the car. It tells me if it's on Sentry. It tells me how many miles I've got as well. So that's my actual face of my watch, is everything about my Tesla. So you don't really have to go into the app and start using it, and each time you've got to go into it, you can actually put it on as your front screen. So another handy feature within this app is that you can speak to Siri and give some simple commands. So you can say, Siri, unlock the car. Siri, lock the car. Unlock the trunk. Siri, lock the trunk. So from there, it does take a few seconds, like I've said before, but it is totally worth it. A few seconds between the app and the car, which is something that can be ignored really, because it is such a cool feature, and this is probably the only car that does all this just from the actual watch app. The other thing is that we're using this modern technology as well, and Tesla are the only ones that have come this far so far. So hats off to Tesla really, because it's something out of the space age, and you can tell it's a cool car. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon for any future notifications of future videos. If you have any comments or any suggestions, then please comment below. And if I've missed anything or you'd like me to mention anything else, then please put in the comments below. Bye bye and stay safe.